Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I brought you this exciting product from XIFEI. This is acrylic humidor jar with a digital hygrometer. This is a tall design for different type of cigars. It comes with a humidifier and Spanish cedar wood veneer, portable travel humidor for like 15 to 20 cigars. So let's check this out. So this is acrylic cigar humidors. This is not gonna shatter like glass. Cedar wood lining that absorbs the moisture and gives a natural flavor. Check this out, just like a jar. You open it up. It comes with a rubber seal, digital hygrometer. All you have to do is press this power button. Just double click and it'll turn into Fahrenheit. It comes with a seal cover buckle here. Spanish cedar wood sheets. It's an actual wood pieces and it smells wonderful. So this is a humidifier. You can use this dropper to pick up some distilled water and wet this inside and drop this in here to control moisture inside here. So this is a perfect configuration. Portable and durable, overall HD transparency. So you can see how many cigars you still have in there. Good air tightness. Dimension of this humidor. The diameter is 5.11. The height is 9.25 inches. And it holds about 15 to 20 cigars. Still has plenty of room. This acrylic humidor jar is a great cigar accessory and ideal gift for cigar lovers. Check this product out. Thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.